Alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Excuse me, would you please introduce yourself, where you are from?
All right. Thank you for your asking me. This is I am Mr. Helmi. I'm from Kenteng, Banyuwangi.
Banyuwangi?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it the first time you join this competition?
Here I accompany my wife from SMP Negeri 1 Kenteng to join with this program. I want our students to become having a capability in front. So not only about capability in speaking, but also having brief how to convey their ideas, and also in a higher position in this competition.
Okay, win or loss, the most important thing, we have tried to join this competition, right?
All right.
Okay. I think this is the 21st storytelling contest.
This is
Yes, and I think you have already sent a lot of students to join this. What do you think of this storytelling competition?
Telling story competition also has been already have my student in front. This the approval. The students that won that came from here. This competition helped them to go to university, and also some of my students also in America, in Massachusetts. This is to join with the university there. And then I think that this year she will have a graduation.
Now specifically, storytelling contest. What do you think of our competition?
I think
Storytelling contest conducted by SMA1 Wife.
okay. It is I think it's good because the school can hold yearly.
Yes.
Yeah, once year.
Yes.
It means that can arouse the students' ability to have skill in speech.
Alright,
Speech.
So I mean the process of competition, this one, everything is like this, right?
All right.
So yeah, I do hope everything will be okay, and thank you very much for your impression of
You're
this
welcome.
competition.
Okay. Thank you. Congratulations.
Yeah, goodbye.
Good day.